Glueless wig installed on my client. She suffers from traction alopecia, but it doesn't matter. We're still going to apply this wig. Right now I'm adding some oil. Then I'm going to add the wig grip. This is the Yana wig. It is completely glueless. I'm putting the combs in right now. I'm going to secure it in the back as well. This is going to make sure the wig doesn't come off at all. It also has adjustable straps. It comes completely styled. Then I'm going to go in and cut the lace. I'm going to apply some of her foundation on it so it is completely seamless. And look at it. It is completely seamless. She thought this color was not going to be nice on her, but she now loves it. Completely glueless. It looks so good, especially right now for them fall colors. I'm adding some baby hairs, but they are definitely optional. I used what I could find, which was some shine and gel, but I prefer a wax, preferably gummy. If you would like to get saved by Tori, please hit the link in my bio. Bye.